Hey guys, what's going on? John Cashoni here with a really cool earthworks project. Got pavers, landscape, lighting, really cool stuff going on in the backyard. Want to give you a sneak peek. All right, let's go.
Welcome. We're out here. It's a beautiful job site. We're digging the hole today. We did the prep work for a patio, a little fire pit, a little wall to sit on, but mostly 3 boulders to sit on out here. It's a really nice job site. Went ahead and put sleeves in for us, stubbed up our irrigation so we could just dig away, not have to worry about anything breaking in between here and there. We just take it out as we go. Sort of simplified that process and made it less scary for everyone involved. But that little stoop over there, we're gonna take that thing off. We're gonna give them a nice big patio. I'm pretty much just gonna take the bucket to it and see what happens. As you can see, we planned ahead and we got a machine that's the width of this gate here. So we'll run everything out and back in with this machine, just like we could with wheelbarrows, but faster and less back brake. Well, welcome. We're mid-project right now. We have the Paver guys here today. I'm doing my thing with these lights and these rocks, trying to keep ahead of them. Not fully succeeding, but we're still getting it done. We're gonna do things in sort of a stage process here. So I do have another light to put in, another rock to put in. I have these rocks for sitting. It's 16 to 18 inches in height, just trying to keep it consistent, but of course each rock is different, so I've had to sort of play with when and where I'm going to place them. We have a 40-inch fire pit, and that's not including the stones on the outside, so it should come out to about 3 feet from here, which is a good walking distance. It might be a little far for feeling the heat, but if you get a good fire going, no problem. Just nice to have people walk in front of you while you're sitting without squeezing by you like the movie theater. Day 5, earthworks job site. We're just doing a little bit of landscaping today. We finished the hardscape early, so we're doing some transplanting before irrigation gets here. That way they have a good idea of where to set the heads, so we don't have to move anything afterwards. They can concretely move things and adjust it as needed.
This was a really cool project that gave them a lot of cool usable yard space as well that they didn't have, and usable patio space that they didn't have, and kind of doubled their patio space that they did have. We extended their paver porch here that gave that paver area there that they had, the existing paver area, a lot more usage, and gave them a walkway out to a really cool fire pit area here that's wood burning. Gave them a little wall here that they can use for seating, and something unique there. We married in the Missouri rock boulders right there into the pavers that you can sit on. Did some really cool inset lighting in the paver there that accents the boulder texture at night. So that's really cool. And we contrast the rocks and the walls to give it a real natural look, because that's what they like here, more minimalistic look. We were able to transplant a lot of plants too and use a lot of things that were already here to create some screening and to create just some greenery in the landscape. The hollies were transplanted, the viburnum were transplanted, jasmine were transplanted. I got a couple trees up front, a couple trees in the back were transplanted. So think about how you can reuse a lot of those things that you have just in a better way, a more aesthetically pleasing manner in your own yard. Think about how your patio can come out, how your fire pit can look, how different it could be from any neighbors. Think about the plants you can use to contrast as well. Find us on Facebook, find us on Instagram, and come to the nursery and look through our garden center as well. Thanks, guys.